Thank you to the participants of the event. Join the dense web of meaningful connections. What will you create? We are so grateful that you decided to join us for this experience. And this is just a quick message to encourage you to keep in touch if you'd like to be notified about the next event. Many of you did include your email addresses in the contact form, and a few of you didn't. So if you are interested in learning about the next event, you can just shoot me an email. I am tony@talktomorepeople.com. That's with the number 2. And I'll be sure that you get notified about the next event. I'd also like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the team of people who put the event together. So thank you so much to Eiley, Harold, Paris, Sarah, Alex, myself, Elise, and also Darren. And am I missing anybody? I believe I have everybody there. So that's our committee, and thanks to each of you. It's been a pleasure working with you to get this thing going. Finally, I want to acknowledge the other contributors to the Talk to More People book who were present in our event yesterday. So thanks so much to you, True, for showing up and for leading a discussion. Patrick, thank you. Michael, thank you. And also, of course, Eiley, thank you so much for your contribution to the Talk to More People book as well. So thanks again for being a part of our event, for co-creating this dense web of meaningful connections. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.